The lesson today is about parallel and congruence symbols and what they mean. The first thing that we've got today is a set of three, as we learned in the last lesson, three lines, because they have arrows at the end of each of them. So these are lines. These are line segments because they have endpoints. And these are angles. This is a symbol for parallel. See the single arrow going opposite directions here? This says that these two lines are parallel. Here is a double set of arrows. This says that these two lines are parallel. The next thing that we have here, now if these two lines are parallel, they never intersect, just like these two lines never intersect. And if that's true, we also know that these two lines are also parallel because they're both parallel to the same line. We know that this line segment here and this line segment here are congruent. They're marked with a double hash here, a double strike. That's a symbol for congruence. That means that the distance from this point to this point is exactly the same as the distance from this point to this point. Even if it doesn't look like it, if it says that it is equal. Therefore, if we talk about this angle and this angle, they have a single arc. That tells me that the measure of this angle and the measure of this angle are both going to be congruent. If this one is 72 degrees, then this one must be also 72 degrees. Here's one that's a little more complex. We see that we have two lines that intersect and form a right angle. Therefore, as we learned in the last lesson, these two lines are perpendicular. We know that we have line U, X, and U, V, T that are perpendicular. We are told that from this mark right here, see the double strike? That this angle and this angle are congruent. We are also told, because of the triple strike, that the length of this segment, U, W, and the length of segment W, X are also congruent. So if this is 3.4, then this is also 3.4. Please go to the Check for Understanding. For the Check for Understanding, please go to Edmodo and complete the Check for Understanding for Lesson 1.2.